Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna watch a video. This video is called Rosie Misbehave at Burger King. So enjoy this video, guys.
Rosie, we going to Burger King and eat?
No, I want to go Jack in the Box.
Rosie, we are not going to Jack in the Box. We're going to Burger King and that's final.
Yuck, that's gross. I want Jack in the Box.
Eat your French fries. It's so good.
I still hate French fries.
No, Rosie. You love it. Eat your French fries.
Dad was right. Eat your French fries like Mario and Luigi.
Rosie, you need to eat French fries.
My eyes are spicy. Ow, 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 ow.
I hate Mom and Dad and Caleb about this. I very hate it. He is a bitch.
Get the motherfucking ass to the fucking living room right now, bitch.
I gonna cry, Dad.
Oh my gosh.
Rosie, we going to Burger.
Well, that was a funny video. So this is the video is called Rosie Misbehave at Burger King. So if you like this video, check the comments, like, comment, and subscribe to my Canine Crooner channel. Goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a good summer vacation, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Have fun.